Nia has made up a game using two face spinners. The faces of the spinners are shown below. So we've got a triangular spinner with the numbers 1, 3, 5 and a square spinner with the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. The first spinner is an equilateral triangle with sections numbered 1, 3, 5. The second spinner is a square with sections numbered 2, 4, 6, 8. Nia spins the triangular spinner first and then she spins the square spinner. Her score is a 2-digit number. The first digit is the number on the triangle, so that's our first digit, and the second is the number on the square. Nia writes down all the possible scores she could obtain. Some are done for you. Complete the list of all the possible 2-digit numbers she could get. So the first four possible outcomes that they've given you are when the spinner lands on 1 on the triangle and then 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we're going to use that sort of same method. What if the triangle lands on 3? We could have 3 and 2, 3 and 4, 3 and 6 or 3 and 8. And if the triangle lands on 5, we could have 5 and 2, 5 and 4, 5 and 6 and 5 and 8. Now, you'll get probably 1 mark for those 4 and 1 mark for those 4. Write down the probability that Nia gets a score that is greater than 37. So these are all her possible outcomes here now. So we need to look at all the numbers that are greater than 37. That doesn't include 37. So this is greater than 37, and so is this, so is this, so is this, and so is this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 possible outcomes greater than 37 out of how many outcomes there are in total. 3, 6, 9, 12. So the answer is 5 over 12. Write down the probability that Nia gets a score that is less than 70. Now, all of those numbers are less than 70, so that would be described as certain. Now, how would we write that down as a probability? Well, you would write that are 12 out of 12. Part C. Nia says that she will always get even numbers for her results. Is she correct? You must give a reason for your answer. Well, you can look at these numbers and every single one of these numbers are even. And why is that? That's because these numbers here give us our units digit. And because they're all even, we'll always get even numbers. So, yes, she is correct. And that's because all the numbers on the square spinner are even.